Hey everybody, this is Robert here, back with another video. I have the Amazon Fire Tablet, the 10-inch. Let me see if I can get it to zoom. I don't know why it's blurry. Okay, much better. I have the Amazon Fire Tablet. Alright. This is the 10-inch version, which is pretty stinking huge. This is kind of what it looks like. And it's as simple as that. Now, of course, this is in the Amazon ecosystem. So you're going to have the Silk browser, the App Store, Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Games, Audible, of course the Kindle books. So it's got quite a lot of, it has also a lot of apps. It has Instagram, Spotify, Amazon Photos. Even if I say this, it's going to trigger. So it has Amazon Alexa. So I'll test that out. It's got a notepad, Amazon Music, Spotify. The funny thing is, there is HD video for YouTube, however, not an official YouTube app, which is kind of strange. There is a way around it though, because you can install Google Play, the Google Play Store on this thing. There are tutorials online that you can do that, and you can install the Google Play Store and download many Google apps. So you've got Hulu, you've got books, video. So if you have Amazon Prime Video, or if you bought any episodes from Amazon, you can access your episodes here. I'm not going to play any of that due to copyright. And of course, you've got Amazon Music. And you can play any music that you've bought, or if you have the unlimited subscription, you can actually play those kinds of music. I'll kind of show you what the speaker sounds like. This is my own music. Here's the speaker. And you can even cast it to like an Amazon Fire TV or whatnot. But that's kind of a little sampling. It's pretty solid. It's pretty good. It's got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, of course. There's no 3G, but really there's no need for it. You have this particular one, I believe. I received this as a Christmas gift. Thank you, William. And this one, in particular one, is, I believe, 32 or 64 gigabytes of storage. So let me go to my settings, actually, and find that out. Storage. Yeah, so at 55 gigabytes capacity. That's after the usual formatting of the drive. So it's about 64 gigabytes for this one. So it's quite, and I will show you the website where you can buy one of these, at least the 32 gigabyte option. I believe it's about $150 for the 32 gigabyte option. It has also the volume rocker switch. It's got a microphone, micro USB, and a headphone jack. Here's the two speakers on this side and this side. And like I mentioned, it's got apps that you can download. It also has an SD card slot where you can put your SD card in there and have more space. We got Fire TV. Of course, you guys have a Fire TV device, which I'm gonna see what that is. And of course, once you install, there's 4 files that you would need for the Google Play Store. Once you do that, you can actually access more. So you have like games, utilities, you have WhatsApp, you have AccuWeather, metronome, timers, and many, many applications that you can download. Now, the camera is only like 1.2 megapixel, so in the front, and I think in the back is just a 2 megapixel camera, which is right here. Here's the camera in the back, here's the front facing camera, and that's for like Skype, WhatsApp, or anything like that. Now I'm sure you see here on the side, there's the notifications. You can search for anything. There's notifications where you can actually, you can do airplane mode, and also this feature that's unique to the Amazon Fire tablet is show mode, where you can actually have it be a console. And you can use what I mentioned before. Here it is. So, let's try this. Alexa, what's the weather for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Niceville, there will be mostly sunny weather, with a high of 93 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 72 degrees.
And it also shows you the next few days forecast as well in show mode. So, you can also get it to play music from like iHeartRadio or anything like that. I'm not going to do that due to copyright. Alexa, get out of show mode. Alexa, end show mode. There you go. That's how you do it. The main downside is all the ads, but you know, you kind of get what you pay for. Yeah, you can read books as if it were a Kindle, and you can play games and access your messages. And of course, this has Bluetooth. So here's an example case that comes with it. Well, it doesn't come with it. You have to buy it separately. But this case will definitely hold your Kindle Fire. Or I keep saying Kindle Fire, but it's the Fire tablet. Yeah, you can use this for documents. There's a notepad and your videos. So overall, this is really good. This is a really good tablet. It's got 2 gigabytes of RAM, and of course it has a micro SD card slot, not the full size SD card, the micro SD card slot. So you can put it like a micro SD card for however many, probably up to 128 gigabytes. So yeah. Other than that, that's all. Now the only reason why I would suggest you not to buy it is due to the cameras. Now, if you only want to use this as a camera, don't buy this. But if you want to use this as a tablet for reading, playing games, watching video, or listening to music, or of course Alexa, then and you're in the ecosystem, by all means, this is a great tablet. It's not laggy to the point where you get frustrated all the time. So this is really good. And you can download VLC Media Player to access any files. Any file type you throw at it. Most of the time, except for DRM of videos, of course, but any file type that's non-DRM is perfectly good for VLC. So, if you have any questions, leave in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!